Hello, this is the third time I'm recording this because my voice mic is giving me nightmares. It is ridiculously working very badly. Now it is perfectly detected, I think. I guess so. Fingers crossed. So again, I'm starting you to explain my new project, which is my Bro Assistant. I just give a casual name because I made it very casually, but it is very helpful if you use it correctly. So what is it? It is a smart semi-transparent desktop overlay that uses Gemini's API to analyze the screen content on the fly and get the instant summarized code, solutions, MCQ, or anything whatever you add to that prompt. So this helper what does it do is that it capture the whole screen, whichever you are present on the screen, particular screen. It automatically captured using the Windows print screen functionality, and it send that uh, screenshot or that image to the API with with your desired prompt. Like if you are manually adding some photo here using upload file, right? So it automate that work. Like suppose if you want to search anything for from the Gemini, so what you do is you select any you select any pictures. Yeah. Suppose this is a picture, and you ask about like what is in the picture or anything, like solve the question or give me the answer of the particular image, particular questions present in the image. You need to write it manually, right? But what my agent did do is it automate all those things, like opening the boring tasks, like opening the Google, then search Gemini or ChatGPT or anything, and then give the context. Then it will give you the all the result or code. Then you have to copy the code, and then you have to manually paste it. So for the coding and that part, there are different tools which are present in like Cursor and anything you can use, but that are paid, I think. But this my tool is like for if you have any API key, like Gemini API key is free API key, so you can use it. You can use it very effectively using my this kind of extension of an AI app. So what you just need to do is I use this much libraries and the requirements like PyAuto GUI, Peak Intel library, and Google Generative AI library for the that request response API to handle the prompt, handle the requests, and handle the results as well. So I will show you the demonstration. Like yeah, this is my application which I made. Telling you like suppose if you want to solve any MCQ. So let's suppose let take a print string number or anything of MCQ. So you just need to select the solve MCQ one, or you can add the prompt like give me the correct answer of the following question which you are saying. Following question means the display because it is capturing the screenshot of the current display. Like this is our current display, right? So it will capture the screenshot of this particular display, and you just need to press Control Enter. So it will capture and analyze all the present here. Then it will give you the correct answer. From the response, the correct answer I guess is this count num. So let's see. Yeah, the correct answer is count is double less than num. So it is giving the uh, right output, I guess. So if you want to reset the screen, you can simply enter the shift R. So yeah. So in the future requirement for my for this particular project is to you can add text to voice or voice to text assistant, and you can make it like chatable or voiceable AI agent. You just need to uh, ask it like Alexa or like Google's voice assistant, and it will send all. It first convert the voice to text conversion and then send to the API, and then API again give you the text output, and it will convert using any present voice model. Can customize the prompt as well. So this is the one functionality I just use with the screenshot functionality. You can use any functionality, like you can add the uh, microphone or anything like that. So this is the code, and yeah, if you like this, if you want to try this at your own desktop or own machine, here is my repository. I will provide the link of this repository in my description and my LinkedIn as well. And this is my KFFOD is my profile. Like here, I made a different projects. You can check it out. But that it is a simple projects, not that much. Just make sure you start this repository if you like the application. And if you want to install it, then simply clone this repository and create a .env file like this in the folder where you clone this repository. And in that .env file, put your Gemini API key, yeah, like this. Of course, I will disable my API key and I will generate new API key after this video. But yeah, this is how you put your Gemini API key and simply, sorry, after putting Gemini API key, install all the requirement using requirement.txt like Python. You can install it for installing the requirement or requirement. After installing all the requirements, it will show you something like this because I already installed some. So it is showing that I have already satisfied the condition. After simply run this application. Yeah. Once you run it, it will show you the pop-up. You can change the opacity using the control and this arrows. I don't know what this symbol means. What is the name of this symbol? But using that symbols, you can control the opacity, like make it fully transparent or invisible, or using control arrows, you can change the prompt. You switch between three predefined prompts like general query, solve code, or the solve coding problem or the MCQ. And you can all the hotkey bindings you can find in my GitHub README file. Here, these are the all the functionality hotkey. You can check this out. And if you have any suggestion or anything, you can contribute here as well for open for contribution. And thank you for listening this, and let's meet on the next video.